Hey guys, Menchi here, and today I'm going to show you how to make how to use a major vocals labeled something like that. As you see, it's F major, and this demo has a major tone, major chords, and I'm going to show you how to make a minor chords and how to use these major vocals in minor harmonies. Okay, let me show you the demo first.
You can put me on airplane mode. You still gotta think about me. You want someone to hold. You still gotta think about me. Take you all night for the rest of your life, but until you change your mind, you put me on airplane mode. You still gotta think about me.
Okay, something like that. And we see we have this major tone, major key, and we have a major chords starting from the F major. Yes, and how to make a minor. Some guys who maybe begins their career in music thinks that there are no difference between major and minor keys. It's not true, and let me show you. Let's make a minor tone. Yeah, something like we have this chord. The minor chord sounds like that. The major chords sound like that. You can hear the difference. But let's make a major chords, something like, or a minor chords, something like that. It will be minor and major chords. Yeah, something like that. Okay, and let's use our major vocals in minor key, something like that.
You can put me on airplane mode. You still gotta think about me. You want someone.
As you hear, the vocals and chords don't match. And let's see. Let me show a little trick how to do it right. Okay, as we see, we have a minor chord. It's our main chord, main key of this track. And this rule, I don't know how to explain. I found it by myself. I don't have a musical education, and it's something like I don't know. I tap and said, "Wow!" It's something like that. Okay, we should count the main key and up 1, 2, 3 semitones. It will be a note. Yes, it is something like that. As you see, we have a major chord like this, and this is our major tone for vocals, maybe, etc. And it's something like an unofficial rule. It's something like Mensch rule, something like that. And if we count 3 semitones up from the main tone, we get a major tone. And let's see if we make these vocals to a major, to a tone. It's 3 semitones up. 1, 2, 3. And let's listen.
You can put me on airplane mode. You still gotta think about me.
And it's magic. We found a decision for this vocal, how to make how to put it in these minor chords. But all we can do, it's not pitching the vocal, just pitching our chords to 3 semitones down. Yeah, and we have this chord already. It's F major, something like vocals. And let's listen.
You can put me on airplane mode. You still gotta think about me, want someone to hold.
And now we have the right chords for the minor chords progression. Okay, let's let's copy it and build a bit other chords here for this bass. Okay, it's B.
You can put me on airplane mode. You still gotta think about me, want someone to hold. You still gotta think.
But actually we already have the chord progression and the right decision for this one. We have a chord progression starting from a major chord, and we have a minor chord right here. It's D, and 3 semitones up it will be F, and you can build your chords from this minor tone, and we will see we have this F chord as well. Yes, it's a little trick, something like if you need to use major vocals, major melodies to implement them into a minor tone, a minor harmony. Yes, just count 3 semitone up, and that's it. Yeah. I don't know if I explain it right. Sorry, my English, guys. I tried to study. I tried to make it more clear for you. But anyway, you can type your comments below under this video, and I'll try to answer all of your questions. If you like this video, please give me a like and Menchi was here. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.